Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something very festive with you. I'm going to be baking some gingerbread cookies. They're not really gingerbread men because I don't have the cookie cutters. I just have to improvise, let's just say that. So they're just going to be circle shape, but if you have any cookie cutter things, then you feel free to do whatever shapes you like. I'm going to do circles. And I was going to do them anyway, but I thought why not make a video out of it and film it at the same time. Okay, so I've just put the cookies in the oven and I'm a little bit worried about a few things. One was the plain flour. I realized as I was doing it that I just didn't have enough. So I was supposed to put in 2 cups, but I only had 1.5, so that's my first problem. Second problem was the golden syrup. So I was supposed to put in 1/4 cup, and as you saw, it wasn't really that much golden syrup left either. Thanks, Aaron, for using it in your porridge this morning. But other than that, everything else was fine. But as I was rolling it out, it was very soft. So I'm going to be very interested to see what they turn out like, as they weren't very easy to cut and sort of maneuver as the previous time I made them. So fingers crossed they turn out okay. So that concludes today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it and have some gingerbread cookies yourself. Like I've mentioned in some of my previous videos, I am hosting a weekly giveaway. So if you would like to win a prize, all you have to do is hit subscribe, like this video or my latest video, and comment down below with a love heart emoji, and that would mean so much to me. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!